Mississauga's industries are thriving, but only as long as their IT keeps up. With the average data breach in Canada now costing $4.66 million, companies across sectors like finance, logistics, and manufacturing can't afford weak infrastructure. Resilient IT infrastructure is a strategic imperative for Mississauga's industries to remain competitive, secure, and future-ready, says Franca Bruzzisi, president of AlphaCore. That's why managed IT services have become more than just support. They're a foundation. They give manufacturers 24/7 uptime, enable logistics firms to track shipments in real time, and help financial services meet strict compliance standards. These services don't just fix problems, they prevent them, scaling systems as businesses grow and keeping remote teams securely connected. Whether it's handling complex infrastructure or locking down sensitive research data, managed IT clears the path for progress. If your business is part of Mississauga's growth engine, it's time to think of IT as more than a cost. It's your competitive edge. Read the full article on our website for a closer look at how managed IT supports your industry. And add this episode to your Spotify playlist to stay ahead of your next tech decision.